Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Turkish Engineering. I will show you how I use AI for generating some CAD files. Actually, I'm not using it for controlling my CAD software, but a very useful use of AI. I discovered it by some iterative try and error. For example, this is a brass insert. I generated a step file quickly using an AI prompt. So let me show you first what I did. Then the CAD generated by AI. It is very simple component. So now, nowadays, the level that AI tools reached for CAD development is not something very complex. For example, I'm designing an enclosure now, but I just wanted to quickly generate a brass insert that I don't want to search for a library. And so it was very quick. I will show you how I did. So first, I use Gemini, okay? Select a brass insert from here quickly, like I selected depending on my PCB, mounting hole. Then, but I guide the AI to give me a Python code for build123d, which is a very useful library available in Python, and it can give you and generate parametric CAD models, which can be exported as a step format or STL format for 3D printing. So the Gemini gave me a Python code that I got an error. Quickly, I went to Claude, because Claude tool for coding, it's very fast, which can also locally access your Python code, like all files. It can this tool Claude now can access all of your local files. So quickly, I just gave a brief code, and I need to correct this, and I need a very quick step file. Just copy and paste. It was very straightforward. Then, where is the file? I asked him. The file was saved to this folder. So I went to my Jupyter notebook for Python, and I found what Claude gave me as a code. Copy and paste in my Jupyter notebook, and just run this code, and successfully generated step file for this brass insert. Actually, you can say that just quickly draw it by revolve and get this CAD file, but I'm just lazy to generate this CAD model, okay? And I'm doing something else that is complex design, but I want to simplify my task. So this is how I use AI as a CAD engineer. I use Gemini, I use Claude, and Python library, which is very useful, open source library as build123d. This is a CAD library where you can generate step files, STL files, and by using some iterative prompts, 1, 2, or 3 prompts, you will get a CAD file ready for manufacturing. But as I'm saying, the level of AI tools now did not reach that level that the tool can give you a completed enclosure for electronics. It cannot do, but it can boost your tasks. So I believe that within a very short time, the AI tool will also reach this level that will be able to generate very complex CAD models. But now we are waiting to reach that level and using what is existing now. So this is just I'm adapting myself to see how the AI tools are improving. And I just wanted to mention this library, Python build123d, and using AI prompt like chatbots. It's a very useful idea, and I hope you like this idea. And I will share more. I already did very complex parts by using this approach, but I just wanted to simplify this idea to show you a brass insert as a very standard and easy to model part. But you can do more, you can explore more. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.